How to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets. So if you want to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets, then first you need to open up your Google Sheets. Now once you open up your Google Sheets, what you need to do is you just need simply enter a formula. So for example, I'll just enter some formula. So select it. Once you've selected, now what you need to do is you just need simply press Ctrl Shift plus enter on your keyboard. First select the formula right here, just click on it and then press Ctrl Shift Enter and again hit the enter and click where it says autofill, and that's it. Now the second thing or the second way is you need to just simply go with the bottom right of that cell and where you will have the blue color dot, right? Once you move your cursor there, then you will have a plus shaped icon. So you need to simply drag that blue colored ball to the bottom and that's it. Or the other way is you can again just copy this and then paste. That's it. You can just simply press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and that's it. That's the third process. And the fourth way is using double click. So you just need to simply go with the dot again and then double click. Double click on the left side of your cursor, mouse, and you'll have your answer. So that's how you can apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.